In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of your Samsung. First of all, you need to launch your device's Play Store and then download free app, code DevCheck device and system info from Flare2 developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When it's ready, launch it, and then thanks to it learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: if you wanna, you can tap on one of those sections in dashboard, not only to learn all about it from the pop-up, but also because when you hit settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners of other categories, like system. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!